In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to darken fonts in Google Chrome. If you've ever found yourself squinting at faint gray text or ultra-thin fonts, I'll show you 3 reliable ways to boost contrast and make everything easier to read. First, Chrome has a powerful hidden setting called Force Dark Mode. In the address bar, type Chrome, Baj, flags, and press Enter. At the top of that page, use the search box to find Force Dark Mode for web contents. Change its setting from default to enabled, then click the relaunch button that appears at the bottom. When Chrome restarts, it applies a dark theme to sites and, more importantly, converts those low contrast grays into stronger, clearer text. This option is broad and automatic, which makes it the fastest way to improve readability across the web. Because it lives in the experimental settings, a few pages may look different than you expect, and some images or icons might show altered colors. If you don't like the result, return to the same setting and switch it back to default or disabled, then relaunch. If you prefer more control, install the Dark Reader extension from the Chrome Web Store. After adding it to Chrome, open any page and click the extension icon. You'll see simple sliders for brightness and contrast. Increase contrast to deepen grays into solid black, or fine-tune brightness to keep backgrounds comfortable while sharpening text. You can leave Dark Reader on globally or toggle it off for specific sites with one click, so each page looks exactly how you want. This approach is ideal when some websites need stronger text while others only need a subtle boost. If a page looks too heavy after adjustments, just dial the effect back until the words feel crisp without overpowering the design. For maximum visibility across your entire computer, use high contrast mode. Press Alt, Shift, and Print Screen together, then confirm the prompt. Your system switches to a high visibility color palette, and Chrome adopts those colors automatically. This is especially helpful if you need strong separation between text and background everywhere, not just in the browser. To turn it off, press the same keys again and confirm. That's it. 3 practical options: a quick global switch, precise per-site control, or a full system boost. Choose the approach that fits your needs and adjust until the text feels comfortable and clear. No more squinting at your screen, you're all set.